Free Students Organization General Headquarters had pressurized the Manipur government to arrest all culprits involved in Chasad village attack within 36 hours. KSO also warned of staging statewide general strike from midnight of March 20 next if the government fails to book the culprits within the deadline. Free health camps under the banner Dhanavantri Seva Yatra concluded yesterday at New Primary School, Kairim B, Chingkhong, Thoubal Wangmataba. Bharti Manipur and National Medicos Organization NMO Manipur organized the program from 14th of this month at Bungte Chiru village in Sadar Hills, during which free health camps were conducted at different places of Manipur. Krishak Mukti Sangram Samiti leader and RTI activist Akhil Gogoi was taken into custody by Shivsagar police early this morning. Shivsagar police in a very discreet manner took Akhil Gogoi to Shivsagar from Guwahati Central Jail. Mizoram Health Minister Dr. R. Lalthanglyana yesterday said the state government is making massive effort to install coronavirus testing laboratory at the newly established Zora Medical College. He said that a detailed project report has been submitted to National Center for Disease Control and Department of Health Research for installation of novel coronavirus testing lab. The total number of reported novel coronavirus cases in India has climbed to 172 after Maharashtra reported 2 more positive cases this morning. According to reports, total cases in India include 32 foreign nationals, 17 from Italy, 7 from Indonesia, 3 from Philippines, 2 from UK, 1 each belonging to Canada, Indonesia and Singapore. India's tally of 170 also includes 3 deaths reported from Delhi, Karnataka and Maharashtra.